Hi everyone! Today is the day we get to finally put on our new valve cover. I think it's a day that I don't know if you've been waiting for it, but we have been waiting for it, and I'm pretty excited to see how it's gonna look on the car. So these are the new parts. So these are the engine mounts which we'll be replacing. The ones we already have in the car. So as you can see, there is already a difference, like a big difference. So what these new ones is, we had another company do these poly bushings for us. So what they do is they press it in, and you can see it's actually much softer than the ones in the engine bay. So these are the 60A, whereas in the car here, these are the 75A. So the reason we are replacing these is because of the vibrations of the car. So obviously we don't want these harder ones here, so we opted for the softer ones instead. So but before we put them in the car, we will be polishing them. So I think this has already been polished a bit, but I think you can see the difference with one that has not been polished. Okay, so the engine mounts were sanded down with a 3000 grit sandpaper, and now we are using this metal polish. You can buy this anywhere, or
there are all hardware stores you can buy this. You get a compound that you can use as well. I'm going to use hondacivic. So with the buffing pad you usually get different types of compounds that does aluminium, stainless steel, etc. So I'm using this for now to see how it goes, and going to use a drill with a buffing pad on it. Let's first see how we can do with the DIY and see how many of the scratches and what finish we get with it.
so you can see quite a difference already, I guess. Okay, so as you can see, there's already a difference. So this is our strut base. So originally this was red. It was like the same color as this valve cover here. It is the same one, but it's just been resprayed to match our new valve cover. It is the twilight purple that you find on the BMW G80. I think it's gonna look really cool overall.
Remove all these others. So actually the first thing I have to do is remove this cover for my coil packs, because I have to remove the coil packs before I remove the valve cover. Now I don't have my new coil pack cover yet. I will not be using that one. I'm going with a different look, but for now I might be fitting it until I get the other one. This is a carbon fiber coil pack cover. This is the harness earth. So for your coil packs with your harness, there's obviously a tucked engine bay harness, and this is actually your earth. That's your earth here, and this is earth to my strut leg. One go back out, nice and clean. It shows no oil is coming into the spark plug channel.
we've also mentioned in one of our previous videos is that we are also going to be stripping this valve cover and we're going to paint it a different color. So by the way, what color do you guys think should this valve cover be? So we have an idea for a color, but we'd love to know what you guys think would also suit the car.
And this is an original OEM spoon oil cap.
So hopefully you all can see how the new valve cover look like in morning light, because it's like late morning now I think. While the sun is out, you can have the full effect. So we also reused the rubber from our old valve cover underneath because it was a newer one compared to this older one. This is the one that came with the new spare valve cover, but this one was newer and softer. So we're just polishing all of these things again. As you saw, we took out, I'll show you actually. So this is our old dipstick, and since we are upgrading everything, we actually got a new one. And I think this will look so much better, especially with this valve cover. So this is also our first time looking at it. Wow. It's gorgeous. And actually fits in much better than the old one. Like, especially like shape wise, you see this is the old one. And then this is our new one. It's more seamless, more flush. Even this looks nicer in it. I think it's the colors as well.
The filter have to refit. Usually you can run this to a catch can or back into your intake. As for now, if you make big power, you obviously don't want to run a breather filter. You want to either run it into a catch can, or I think that's the best way to actually run it into a catch can. But for now, I'm running this breather filter.
Okay, so we're just gonna show you how it looks like with our old coil pack cover. So it actually doesn't look too bad, but as you can see, it looks very mismatched with everything in the car.
It does match with the intake.
Yes.
But I'm just going for a different look. I like to switch things up, so I'm going for a different look. This will still remain with the other valve cover, and when I respray that one and fit that sometime in the future, it will go back on with a new color scheme again.
what you all think. Would love to hear your thoughts on our new valve cover.